guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Jillian, and today, as you guys can see from the title, I am doing a grocery haul slash pantry organization. I also will organize just a little bit in my fridge, but mainly the pantry. I know I usually don't do like an intro like this when I do like cleaning videos, but I did want to jump on here really quickly to talk to you guys. But yeah, I am doing a pantry organization. I did buy a few new bins that I would like to use in the pantry. I still need a lot more, but it is pretty pricey buying these bins. I bought the, not ceramic, the like acrylic clear bins, and I think I have in total six or seven bins, and then I have like 2 or 3 of those like bins that are like airtight containers that you can put like cereal or granola and stuff like that. So I think I have like 3 of those as well. And then I'm gonna keep the larger like wooden baskets I have in there for like large like chip bags or some of our canned goods, stuff like that. So we'll see how it turns out, but this pantry is so bad. I don't think I've ever let it get this bad. So it is definitely time to clean and organize it out. Every time I go in there to look for something, things are falling over. I can't find anything. And I think it'll just be easier for the kids when I organize it, because I usually have all their snacks like in certain containers, and right now all the boxes are just thrown in there. So I'm pretty sure half of them are even probably empty. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And then I do want to wash some of the produce that I bought from the grocery store, because when I showed you guys me putting all the way the groceries, I didn't have time to like wash or put anything in containers. So I kind of just threw everything in the refrigerator. So I do want to wash and pre-cut some fruit. It just makes things easier for when we're getting snacks for the kids and like packing school lunches. So that's what we're gonna do today. And then that's it for this video. And yeah, so hopefully you guys can find some motivation from today's video. So enough of my talking, let's go ahead and jump right into today's video. I laid out all the groceries. Some are over here and then some are behind me. So I'm gonna start over here really quickly so I can put everything away. Over here I have all the drinks. So I bought this LaCroix in black raspberry. It's a new flavor, so I want to try it out, which I'm super excited. So I'm gonna put these in the fridge so they can get nice and cold and I can test them out. Then I also got these mini orange juices. Madison does eat breakfast at school. I pack her breakfast, lunch, and snacks. So I should put one of these for her breakfast or like a chocolate milk. And then I got these small lemonades for Ryan's lunch and also Madison. Then I also got some more almond milk. This is unsweetened. This is the Califia brand. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, but I usually get this brand. And then I got some coffee creamer. I have been just putting almond milk in my coffee. I haven't used creamer in months. I don't know when last time was I bought some creamer, so I wanted to treat myself. So I got this one. It's almond milk and oat milk and hazelnut latte. Sounds delicious. I also grabbed my husband more of his chocolate milk. This is the chocolate milk that he likes and always gets. I got myself some cold brew coffee, and this is just the Simple Truth brand in Colombian dark roast. I also got myself more of these Rain little energy drinks that has BCAAs in it, aminos, and this is the white gummy bear flavor. It's so good. So I just grabbed 2 of these. I also grabbed Madison her yogurts. I like to buy the big boxes, but for some reason they were out of all the boxes. They only had these little pouches. So I just grabbed 3, and then I'll go back to hopefully get a bigger box. So these are by Once Upon a Farm. This one is, what flavor is this one? It's not focusing. All right, this one is berry. This one has fruits and veggies. This one's green kale and apples. And then this one's just a strawberry one. And then Ryan doesn't really like these anymore. He used to love them, but he goes in between these and these. So he wanted the Dianna one, so I just grabbed some of these in strawberry. I also grabbed myself a pack of these margaritas. They looked really good. I think my friend brought this over like a week ago. I don't know if it was this brand, and it was pretty good if it was the brand. So I grabbed this one, and it has lime juice and agave nectar. So super excited to try these out. And then these are some fruits and veggies that I picked up. So grabbed a case of blueberries as well as 2 cases of strawberries. Grabbed a bag of apples. The kids love apples. We go through them really quickly. A bag of halos, a bag of purple grapes. Then I saw these and I wanted to try them out. They looked really good. They're Parmesan truffle little mini potatoes. I thought that would be like a really easy side for dinner one night. I grabbed some mini sweet peppers. I also grabbed an onion, some asparagus, baby carrots, broccoli, green beans, and I think this is zucchini. Yeah, this is zucchini. So that's what I have right here. All right, so over here, I'm gonna start in the back. I have some cheese. I didn't get any cheddar cheese just because we already have cheddar cheese, but I grabbed a bag of shredded mozzarella as well as string mozzarella. Grabbed the kids some more of their hot dogs as well as lunch meat. Grabbed 2 of these. Madison likes these, and it's a really good, like, quick lunch. I can make her to send into school. Also grabbed some more of my crackers. I was out, as well as my favorite pasta that I was also out, so I grabbed a box of that. Then I wanted to try this white rice and garlic and herb. I've tried this brand in a different flavor, and I really liked it. Never tried the garlic and herb, so I'm excited to try that one out. Grabbed some more Alfredo sauce, as well as black beans and some tomato sauce. I'm going to be making a Mexican bowl for dinner this weekend, and I needed this. Kids were completely out of peanut butter, so I grabbed them some more peanut butter. And then we really like this brand in cheese, and I really like these pouches as well from this brand. So grabbed spicy berry bites, also sharp strawberry heat. I also grabbed my husband 3 of these. He likes to make these in the morning for a quick breakfast before work. They only had 3 in the bacon, so I grabbed 3 of those. Then I thought these would be a good, like, quick snack, so I grabbed 3 pouches. This one is honey, cinnamon, peanut butter. This one is almond butter and cinnamon vanilla bean, and this one is cashew butter and cinnamon vanilla bean. So 3 of those, and then also a case of eggs. And then over here is where we get into all of the junk food. So for school snacks, I just got the kids some of these Homestyle Original Rice Krispie Treats, some oatmeal cream pies, some mini donuts, Goldfish, some Lay's classic potato chips, Ritz crackers. I like to buy these Ritz crackers and I make them homemade Lunchables. So I'll put these crackers with like lunch meat and cheese and like fruit, and they really love it. Then I also grabbed my candy. I love these candies, and I always grab them when I am out. It's only 3 grams of sugar for the entire bag, so really good. I got some mesquite seasoning. I like to marinate my chicken all day in this and then put it in the oven, and it's really good, or on the grill. I also grabbed 2 of these Chicken Creation Buffalo style little pouches. These are good for quick lunches. I grabbed 2 of those. I usually get the barbecue ones too, but I only got the buffalo today. I grabbed the kids' loaf of bread, and then I grabbed myself this bread. I've never tried it before, but we're gonna try it out, see how we like it. It's wheat bread, 4 grams of net carbs. I'm not keto, but I just thought I would try that bread out. And then Ryan picked out that Chocolate Chex cereal. And then I grabbed a few of these Starbucks cold brew cups. If you guys don't know, I do have an Etsy shop, and I've been wanting to do some cold brew cups, but I couldn't find them anywhere, and I found them at my grocery store. They only have 5, so I grabbed all 5. So that'll be up hopefully soon. But that is everything I got from the grocery store. All right, you guys. So as you guys can see, I was trying to clear out the refrigerator. On this day, I didn't have time to like wipe it down or really organize it. So I was just quickly taking things out that I knew that were expired or just old, and then placing all the new groceries in the fridge. And then 2 days later, because honestly, I did not get to organizing and cleaning out the fridge and pantry the following day. It was 2 days later when I actually went in and wiped down all the shelves and organized it a little better, and then obviously also organized the pantry. So like I said, this day I just threw everything in the refrigerator. I did not have time to do anything else. So that is all you guys are going to see for this day, and then it's going to pick up 2 days later. All right, guys, so now it is 2 days later, and I am quickly showing you guys an overview of what my pantry was looking like. Super embarrassing. I don't think I've ever let it get this messy. Like, my pantry has gotten super messy. Not that I've always stayed organized, because that just is impossible in my house, but that is probably the worst it's ever looked, and I just could not take the clutter and the mess anymore. So this definitely had to get done. So I wanted to do the pantry first just because I knew it was going to take me longer than the fridge. So right now I am just pulling literally everything out of my pantry top to bottom, and then I'm going to vacuum the floor as well and then go through everything. So anything that is expired, I'm going to toss out, or things that only have like 3-4 crackers left in the box, I'm going to go ahead and take that out as well and just condense everything down. There were a few boxes in there that were actually empty. I don't know why they were in there, but it was. So I'm going to go ahead and just clean everything up, organize it in the bins that I bought. I did buy some new clear acrylic bins. I bought, I think, 6 of those. And then I also bought 3 of the vacuum sealed containers that you can put like crackers or cereal in. I honestly need more, but I just did not want to spend like $100. Just those 6 containers and 3 vacuum sealed containers, I spent around $50, $60 on those. And still, that was affordable for Marshalls because all the other ones I wanted were like double the price. So I did get good deals, but still, I spent around $50, $60, and I didn't want to spend $100 on organizing the pantry. So slowly I will buy some more. So I'm just going to use what I have. I did have to use some of these little baskets that I've already had because I ran out of bins, but this is everything laid out. As you guys can see, very big mess. But now I am going to go ahead and wash all the new bins that I got. Like I said, I got 6 of the clear acrylic bins, and right now I'm trying to take off these price stickers. Stores need to definitely figure out how to put these stickers on where it's easy to take off, because I always struggle trying to get those price tags off. I ran out of essential oils. I know you can use that like to get it off. So I was able to scrub it off with some soap and water, but there's still like a sticky residue on there. So I definitely need to pick up some essential oils to get that residue off. But for now, it'll do. So I'm going to go ahead and just quickly wash all of these before I put it into the pantry. And then I'm going to start organizing everything.
I found the rain dripping down your eyes when I'm not around. I found myself, but I fall into your lies all again. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Let me feel it. Let me feel it. Fall into your close my eyes so I can see memories recall. You were right in front of me, scared to lose it all. I believe you could be the light through all the darkness of me. You could be the one. Said you'll never let me go, never let me go. But I'm here waiting for a lifetime.
reach the stars, 'cause you're always on my mind. For you I'd risk it all.